We all know that smoking is harmful to health. It gradually destroys all the organs of the body. The dangers of smoking include lung cancer, narrowing of the arteries in the heart, increased risk of heart attack, obstruction of blood flow to the brain, and loss of sexual ability, yet more than 1.3 billion people still smoke regularly. But today we will share some important information about what kind of changes will take place in your body if you quit smoking and also know how to quit smoking. Please watch the whole video patiently. Maybe after watching this video you will quit smoking, and if you're new here, subscribe to our channel. You may be surprised to know that 20 minutes after quitting smoking, our blood pressure drops and returns to normal. As well as increasing blood circulation to the hands and feet, the nicotine in cigarettes releases epinephrine and norepinephrine, which increases the heart rate and dilates the arteries. After 2 hours, the body's need for nicotine increases, resulting in feelings of anger, frustration, instability, etc. Even sleep problems can occur. 8 hours after quitting smoking, the carbon monoxide gas accumulated in your body will be reduced by up to 50%. Increasing the level of oxygen will remove harmful and uncomfortable bacteria from the lungs. After 48 hours of quitting smoking, the nicotine that has accumulated in the lungs will be released from the body, resulting in increased smell and taste. Within 3 days of quitting smoking, your bronchial tube will expand, allowing you to breathe more normally. Energy will return, the stress will be reduced, but lack of nicotine can lead to mental disorders including headaches. But after a few days, the problem will go away. In 1 to 2 months, the blood circulation in the body will be normal and the efficiency of the lungs will increase by 30%. As a result, the shortness of breath that you take for a short walk will be reduced from this time and you will get energy back. There will also be less chance of getting diabetes, cancer, etc. From this time you will understand that you are not having any difficulty in breathing. The whooping cough caused by smoking has also come down a lot. Even after 1 year of quitting smoking, your risk of heart attack is twice as high as that of those who have never smoked. Within 5 years of quitting smoking, the risk of having a stroke decreases. People who never smoke have that risk. Exactly the same amount of risk decreases after 5 years for a person who smokes. Damage to the lungs caused by smoking. It takes 10 years for the lungs to return to their previous state after quitting smoking. 15 years after quitting smoking, the risk of heart attack is as low as that of someone who has never smoked. Now let's learn how to quit smoking. First, it is important to remember that there is no specific way to quit smoking and that your willpower is sufficient to quit. There are several strategies you can use to make the process easier. First of all, you have to keep the information in your head all the time that through a cigarette you are ingesting 7,000 harmful chemicals, 70 of which are directly related to cancer. It will give birth to a little fear in your mind. There are also some excellent scientific ways to quit smoking, said Dr. Michael Fury, director of the Wisconsin University Tobacco Research and Intervention Center. Preparing to quit smoking. If you are addicted to smoking, quitting in a hurry is almost impossible. So before quitting smoking it is better to plan something first. First you have to decide why you want to quit smoking. It can be for your own health or for the good of the family. This will let you know your family and friends that you have quit smoking. As a result, the next time they smoke in front of you, at least they don't ask you to smoke. Nicotine replacement therapy. The most common problem after quitting smoking is body aches. This is mainly due to the lack of nicotine in the blood. In fact, smoking creates a certain need for nicotine in our body and the body reacts differently when it is deprived of that nicotine. So you can replace nicotine. To understand, the body department stores have a variety of nicotine-containing chocolates and chewing gum. Buy a few and, whenever you feel the body feels a little bad for cigarettes, start chewing one so that you can gradually get out of cigarette addiction. Physical exercise. Maybe it's going to be very effective for you. You have to think and create a routine for yourself, which will keep you away from this addiction for the whole day. If you think I'm not a smoker, then you have to prove it to you. All you can do as a routine is to do 10 push-ups and 5 long breaths whenever you want to smoke, then drink a glass of water, and you can do it as many times as you want to smoke. Just by doing this you can ruin your desire to smoke. You just try it once, you can see the change for yourself. Stay away from bad company. Studies have shown that most smokers are initially tempted to smoke by friends or other people who smoke. Again, when you decide to quit smoking again, those same kind of people hinder your determination to quit smoking. If the people you always hang out with are smokers, they will smoke in front of you. Then you will want to smoke. Sometimes they can affect you in different ways to make you smoke again. So when you decide not to smoke, you must give up this kind of company. 90% of people suddenly quit smoking. Basically very few people succeed and the rest start smoking again. So first of all, prepare mentally, but if you follow the above rules, you can hopefully quit smoking for the rest of your life. The great mindset can change your life. If you have any help with this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon next to it so that more videos like this can reach you very quickly. And if you want, you can let us know any of your opinions. That's all for today. Stay well, stay healthy, and finally, thanks for watching.